Today we're going to be talking about niche marketing strategies for remodelers, how you can attract quality clients. Thanks for tuning in and glad you've chosen to join us today. The key to remodeling success is focusing on niche specialization. What if we told you that really the fastest way to grow your remodeling business isn't by marketing to everyone, it's actually by focusing on specific remodeling services that you do best. Now, while that may sound limiting, the truth is that niche marketing strategies are actually the key to standing out in today's crowded remodeling industry. Whether you specialize in kitchen remodeling, bathroom renovations, or exterior home improvements, targeted campaigns will help you reach the right clients, convert more leads, and maximize your return on investment. So today we're going to show you exactly how to build specialized marketing campaigns for your remodeling business to attract high quality projects and grow your reputation as the local expert. So we'll be looking at a few things today. Number one, general marketing actually dilutes your message. We'll talk about the fact that niche campaigns attract higher quality clients. We'll be looking at tailored messaging for better conversions. We'll also look at understanding your ideal audience and why that is critical. We'll look at search engine and social media marketing as must-haves. It's getting a little tongue-tied there. And we'll also talk about consistent follow-up nurturers with your leads. Of course, local networking also for building those long-term relationships, and then data-driven marketing to increase your ROI. And then we'll look at some niche strategies to create sustainable growth, and then why professional support will help you accelerate your results. So let's get started here and talk about why niche marketing works for home remodelers. Well, to begin with, you stand out by specializing, not by generalizing. You see, the home remodeling industry is super competitive in every city and every neighborhood. So what happens is most remodelers cast a wide net by advertising general remodeling services. And here's the problem. This approach waters down your messaging and puts you in a constant price war with every other contractor in town. But when you focus on specific remodeling services like kitchen makeovers, luxury bathrooms, or curb appeal upgrades, you actually reduce competition by becoming the recognized expert. You increase your conversion rates because your messaging is relevant, and you command higher prices because of your specialized reputation. Now, top remodeling niches that you can target with your marketing campaigns. Here's what you need to remember. Homeowners are going to think in terms of specific project outcomes, not in terms of general services. So some of the most lucrative niches include kitchen remodeling, things like open concept designs, custom cabinetry, and modern appliances. Or bathroom renovations, they're going to think spa-inspired features like walk-in showers in luxury vanities. Or if we're talking about exterior remodeling, they're going to think in terms of siding, windows, roofing, outdoor living spaces. If we're talking about basement finishing, they're going to talk about entertainment rooms, home gyms or rental suites. If we're talking about loft conversions, they're going to think in terms of home offices, bedrooms, or studios. And then in terms of home additions, we're going to talk in terms of expanded living space for growing families. And so when you specialize in those services, it not only makes your marketing more effective, but it also builds your reputation as the go-to expert in your local area. So how do you craft messages that convert? Well, you want to personalize your content for each remodeling service. So when you're marketing your remodeling services online, whether through your website or through social media or email campaigns, one size fits all messaging just simply won't work, because homeowners are looking for specific solutions, not general information. So for example, you want to promote kitchen remodeling by showcasing improved functionality, entertaining spaces, and modern designs. Highlight bathroom renovations with imagery of relaxing spa features and increased home value. Advertise exterior remodeling with a focus on curb appeal, energy efficiency, and outdoor enjoyment. Be sure to tailor your messaging for each service niche, ensuring that your marketing resonates with homeowners and increases your chances of winning those projects. Now, you also want to think in terms of how to identify and reach your remodeling niche audience. So before launching your campaigns, define your ideal customer profile by asking a few simple questions. Number one, who are they? What is their age, their income level, their family size? Where do they live? Specific cities, suburbs, neighborhoods? And then what are their goals? Lifestyle improvements, increased home value, functionality. Once you've identified your niche audience, you can then reach them more effectively through targeted marketing channels. And so here are the best marketing channels for your niche remodeling campaigns. First of all is your search engine marketing, SEM. You see, most homeowners are going to begin their search for remodeling services on Google. So SEM includes local SEO, where you optimize your website for keywords like kitchen remodeling in your city or bathroom renovations near me. Google Ads, pay-per-click, where you are running paid search ads targeting project-specific keywords. And then developing niche landing pages, where you create dedicated service pages for kitchen, bath, and exterior remodeling to improve your rankings and conversions. And then you also want to incorporate social media marketing for your remodeling business. So use Facebook, Instagram, and Nextdoor to share before and after photos of your projects, to post client testimonials, to participate in local community groups, and to provide remodeling tips and ideas tailored towards your niche. Remember, social media builds local trust and keeps your business visible in the community. You also want to incorporate email marketing and retargeting ads, because most homeowners do not buy on the first visit. So it's important that you stay top of mind. And you can stay top of mind by sending targeted follow-up emails based on the service that they showed interest in. You can also do that by running retargeting ads on Google and social media to re-engage visitors who left your site without converting. These strategies nurture leads until they are ready to hire. And then, of course, you can use local networking and partnerships. Get involved in your community by joining local business associations, partnering with real estate agents, designers, and builders, and then participating in home shows and community events. Because local partnerships will build word of mouth referrals and long-term relationships. Now, here's why you can't afford to ignore niche marketing. If your remodeling business markets to everyone, you actually risk blending in with your competitors. And then what happens is you end up racing to the bottom on price. But by focusing on niche remodeling services, you can differentiate your brand. You can attract higher value clients. You can improve your marketing return on investment. And you can grow your business sustainably. Now, you also want to get expert help with your niche remodeling marketing strategy, because really your focus needs to be on selling and delivering. By bringing an expert in, what you're going to do is have a partner who specializes in helping home remodelers like yourself build specialized marketing strategies that generate leads, convert clients, and grow revenue. That's what we do here at Remodeling Marketing Team. So whether you focus on kitchens, bathrooms, or exteriors, a team like ours can help you develop campaigns that work, that are specialized for remodeling specific optimization. So, to kind of summarize this, the real gold is found in the niches, not just in being a generalist. Think about the medical profession. Specialists are the ones who make the real money, not just the family practitioner. And so when it comes to remodeling, you want to become the niche specialist in your area. So if we can help you get started down that path, be sure and schedule a strategy session with us. You can do that at Remodeling Marketing Team Get Started. That's Remodeling Marketing Team /get-started, or you can give us a call. Thanks for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.